Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdagam Chimthanawala, and today let me tell you or let me give you some of the symptoms, and then you think what will you prescribe in this case. Again, when I prescribed in this case, one or two drugs I failed, but then I repeatized the case again, and on repertory chart when I prescribed this drug, I got a wonderful results, and in fact I got to learn this remedy through this case. Sometimes it happens that you are constant, or for me, if you tell me you are constantly prescribing Polycrest, and then when you fail in those cases, and then you try to read more and more, and then you understand that you have not read lot many of drugs which have wonderful indications to prescribe. Now here is a case where the lady came to me with pregnancy, and she was pregnant, and the symptom of pregnancy was that she suffered only from vomiting. Now vomiting during pregnancy, once the lady comes to you, the first drug that comes to her mind is of course Symphoricarpus racemosus. If that does not come in your mind and only vomiting you take, then the first drug that comes to our mind is Ipecacuanha. But this lady, she had vomiting of pregnancy. I had prescribed a drug, phosphorus 2, I failed. Then I prescribed Symphoricarpus, I failed. But then I started asking more symptoms. So the lady told me two, three symptoms which I had missed out, and I prescribed this remedy. She told that whenever there is a lot of vomiting, she feels weak and exhausted, the first symptom. And when I saw her extremities, she had swelling in the left ankle. Then immediately asked her, is she taking any BP medicines or her blood pressure is okay? She said she's not taking any BP medicines, and when I checked the BP, that was normal. So she had swelling of the left ankle. And she said one more thing, sir, I don't feel hungry. My appetite is very poor. Though I am taking medicines to increase my appetite, but the appetite does not come up. So the doctor has told me to eat food, but I cannot eat food. And she told that she cannot stand and do cooking because her limbs get very painful. And when I saw the limbs, I found on the calf and on the popliteal fossa varicose vein, reddish varicose vein, very engorged and tortuous. So this is a case in front of us. These only 3-4 symptoms which were very prominent. So this led me to think whether to repeatize these symptoms or take some more symptoms, but I had already given drugs which I had failed. So I took this for prescription, that is vomiting, pregnancy during, swelling of the left ankle, very poor appetite, and varicose vein, distended and engorged. Now a very rare drug will come in your repertory chart, and you will be surprised to see that this drug also covers these symptoms. Now, for the first time in my practice in pregnancy, I had prescribed this remedy, and the remedy was, any guesses? The remedy was strontium brome. Yes, the remedy was strontium brome. Now strontium brome, if you want to prescribe, one symptom is always remember, that is, it is an excellent remedy where bromide is indicated more. Excellent results where bromide is indicated, and it is an anti-fermentative remedy, and it neutralizes the excessive acidity as given in our meter. Two things it is specifically written, where bromide is indicated, anti-fermentative medicine, and neutralize the excessive acidity. And the same the patient was suffering from vomiting, acidity. Second, and the most important symptom is strontium brome, also it is written, urine is thick, offensive and dark. It is thick, offensive and dark with grains of red sand. Because whenever we have symptom red sand in the urine, we normally think about a drug that is lycopodium. But from now, my friends, also think about strontium carb. It is written in the books, urine thick, offensive, dark, with red grains of sand in the urine, and that is strontium carb. A very important remedy, strontium carb. I prescribed her strontium carb 1 ml, 2 doses, and first dose, then after a week I repeated strontium carb 1 ml. She came after 15 days. She said she was 50% better. In the course of a month's time, she was 70% better, and after 45 days when she came with the blood report, the hemoglobin has risen, her appetite came back, the vomiting stopped, and she was feeling absolutely relaxed and happy. This is the magic of Similimum if you prescribe. So many a times, if you learn Mater Medica, if you remember symptoms in the Mater Medica, then it becomes very easy to prescribe. Sometimes we prescribe through Mater Medica and sometimes through Rapidry. So if your Mater Medica is also good of rare drugs, then you can be a good prescriber. So simple case of vomiting of pregnancy, but a very rare remedy I learned, that was strontium carb. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.